Hello kids, a very good morning to all of you. How are you? I hope you all are good and safe at home. I am Khushpreet, your teacher. Students, as you know, we are doing the theme that is plants part 2. And today we are going to do the topic that is revision of flowers. Students, as you know, we have already done this topic and today we revise this topic. Okay? Now let's begin. Flowers have long admired and used by humans. Many people love flowers for their fragrances. People enjoy seeing flowers growing in gardens and also enjoy growing flowers in their backyards outside their homes. People often wear flowers on their clothes or give flowers as a gift during special occasions. Rituals such as birth of new baby at wedding. People often buy flowers from business called florist. Flowers have their meaning. Like lily flower made people think of life. Red roses made people think of love, beauty and passion. Poppies are worn on special holidays as a mark of respect who served and died in wars. Daisies made people think of children and innocence. Okay students, now I am going to recite a rhyme that is Ringa Ringa Roses. Ringa Ringa Roses, a pocket full of posies. Haisha, boisha, we all fall down. Now again. Ringa Ringa Roses, a pocket full of posies. Haisha, boisha, we all fall down. Okay students, now after reciting a rhyme, now we make flower by using fingerprints. Firstly, take any two colors like green color and red color. Students, you use green color for making petals and red color used for making flower. Firstly, dip your fingers in red color and make prints on the paper in the shape of flower. Okay, like this. And after that, to make petals, you use green color and using your hand. Okay students, I repeat it again. Students, you dip your fingers in red color, okay, to make flower. And after that, for making petals, you use green color by dip your finger in the green color and make prints on the paper. Okay? Now, open page number 59 of your iCan Explorer book number 3. In this page, students, you see various fruits. Firstly, name the fruits and after that, color the fruits. You see fruits like pineapple, mango, banana, grapes, guava, pomegranate, papaya, all these. And students, you fill colors in all the fruits, like you fill yellow color in mango, okay, and in banana, green color in guava, red color in apple, okay, like this. Students, you color all the fruits one by one. Now, after this, let's do an activity. Students, take a thick sheet of paper and fold the sheet from the center to make greeting. Okay, firstly, take a thick sheet of paper and then fold the sheet from the center and make a greeting. Now students, after making this, you collect some thin leaves, ferns and flowers. Okay, after collecting all these, you stick the leaves, ferns and flowers with the help of glue stick and fold the card and keep them under big stack of heavy pressure. And after some time or after some days, you take it out. And now students, you write the message on it and give this greeting to your parents and show your love. Okay, I repeat it. Students, you collect the flowers, ferns and leaves. Firstly, paste the flowers, ferns and leaves on the thick sheet of paper, and after that you put this greeting under a big stack of heavy pressure. And after some days you take it out, and now you can write the message for your parents on this greeting. Okay students, now your homework is to learn the rhyme, that is ringa ringa roses, at least 2 to 3 times. And students, make flower with the help of your fingerprints. Okay, this is your homework. You have to make the flower with the help of your fingerprints. After making this flower, you send me the pics of this flower made with the help of color using your hand. Send the pics on my WhatsApp number. Okay, and also students, do page number 59 of your I Can Explorer book number 3. Okay students, stay home, stay healthy. Thank you. Have a good day.